In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update CMS content live in Webflow. Whether you're new to Webflow or just looking to streamline your content editing process, this guide will help you make real-time updates with ease. First, make your way over to the Webflow website. It's a powerful visual website builder where you can create custom websites without writing a single line of code. If you're not already signed in, that's your next step. Look for the Login option at the top right of the page. Click on it and enter your login credentials. It's the gateway to accessing all of your projects and settings in Webflow. Once you've logged in, navigate to your Webflow dashboard. Think of this as your command center. Here you can manage all your projects from one convenient place. You might already have several projects listed, or perhaps just one. Anyhow, locate the project for which you want to update the CMS content and click on it to open. Now, you'll find yourself on the project's main interface. It's where you can make broad changes to your website and delve into the fine details. What you'll want to do next is head over to the CMS section. It's usually found on the left side of the screen. The CMS panel is where all the content management magic happens. Once you've clicked into the CMS section, you'll be able to see a list of CMS items. These items are essentially the building blocks of your dynamic content. They might be blog posts, portfolio items, team members, or any type of content that changes regularly. To make an update, simply choose any of these CMS items that you want to edit. Click on the CMS item you wish to modify. This will open up a detailed view where you can make all necessary changes. You can edit text, update media like images or videos, and tweak any fields you've set up for that particular item. The user interface is intuitive, so feel free to explore and make those changes confidently. Once you've completed your edits, remember to save your changes. Webflow will ensure that your updates are applied instantly and visible on your live site. This real-time updating capability is one of the many reasons why Webflow is such a powerful platform for web creators. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to update CMS content live in Webflow. With this streamlined process, keeping your website updated and fresh is easier than ever. Enjoy the newly found efficiency, and don't hesitate to explore other features within the Webflow ecosystem. Thank you for watching, and happy building!